today we're going to be announcing the current winners of the CTF.
Yeah. So we've got, should we wait a little bit?
Yeah, we can wait a little bit. But is there, no one's got third place yet, right?
Yeah, no one's got
We can
third
say
place.
that. So if you're still working on the CTF, keep trying and you might get the third place prize.
Yeah, we even upgraded the second place prize, so you never know.
Yeah.
The merch can turn into something really cool.
Yeah, we got some cool stuff coming. Any general updates you can think of around Open Pilot or anything, what you're working on?
Well, we're pushing 0810 hopefully this Friday. We got some good stuff in there. It's a pretty big release. Just happened to be that way, but we also got some really cool stuff planned for 0811.
Yeah.
New sounds. We're gonna go test those after the stream. Our sound guy's been killing it. Old sound guy.
Yeah, we don't want to give away the sounds just yet, but yeah, they're pretty cool.
I feel like we can preview the sounds.
Yeah, I guess we could.
I'll get my phone.
They're work in progress. We'll say that.
Yeah.
Do you have one on your phone?
Yeah, I got the sounds.
New Open Pilot sounds, and the amplifier config on the 3 is gonna sound really nice. So
yeah,
and a big upgrade there.
We'll do.
Do you want to play the liquidy one?
Oh yeah.
Throw them off.
It sounded real abstract at first. So
yes.
I think that was option D. Turn the volume.
All right, take a listen. Here we go.
All right.
What does everyone think of that?
That was disengaged.
Oh.
Here's engage. So we didn't go with these sounds.
Yeah.
But, these are some of the options. Our sound.
The options.
What else we got? Which ones did we like? Was that a F?
I don't know.
Yeah, we'll play F.
Just showing we're working on it. Ooh.
Yeah, they sound real video gamey. Little complex, but we got some stuff that we like now. Really refining them.
Yeah, it's for both, right? Comma 2 and Comma 3?
Yes, I don't think we've played them on this Comma 2, but if they sound good on the Comma 2, we'll bring them to the Comma 2. That's the plan.
Yeah. So that's exciting.
Yes.
Yeah, this release is going to have the first model trained on 1 million segments, so 1 million minutes, which is huge from research. And it's going to have wide
box DM.
Wide box driver monitoring, which is really nice. Someone just said in Discord today, they're like, I don't get it. I have a Comma 3, but it can't see my face off to the side. Now it'll see it like way off to the side. It's really great.
Yeah, it shouldn't matter where you mount it now. That really shouldn't be a consideration while you're mounting.
Yeah.
It should just be overall pretty big improvement for DM. We're going to do a release blog post with this release, so I think you guys get a lot of cool details you don't get in the release notes we put on your device.
Yeah, the blog is big now. We're doing a lot of blog posts and a lot more content. I don't know if you can tell.
Yeah.
What's up? All right, do we want to announce?
Should we start?
Yeah, well, what should we do first? The first place or the second place? You know what I mean?
They're both kind of first place now.
Yeah, they're kind of both first place.
All right, what does this guy say?
I get the random crackle you sometimes get when engaging or disengaging. Is that because of CPU affinity settings?
No.
Is that just the amplifier config? Do you know what that is?
Are you talking about the Comma 2 or the 3?
I think it's like on both when you like spam like engage and disengage, it crackles. Are we gonna fix that with the new sounds?
The new sounds also don't have this problem. We tested it pretty extensively. The new sounds, they sound great. They sound like real sounds.
So it should be fixed. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, the new sounds, they sound like real sounds.
Yeah.
We ran out driving, playing the new sounds, and then we went back to the old sounds for fun, and it was horrible. We know the sounds are not that great, regardless of whether you're a Comma 2 or Comma 3 user. So like we've been upgrading the UI with some like real design and stuff. That's going to come to the sounds now in the next release, hopefully. It's been a work in progress since Comma 3 development to get those new sounds out.
Yes.
So they'll be coming out soon. Some UI updates should hopefully come out soon as well. We're talking to some designers now.
Yeah, stuff's rolling. All right.
Yeah, stuff's really rolling.
So are we just going to jump to the chase and announce the person who won first, I guess?
Yeah, okay.
All right.
So I believe on Friday, David Cook won first place. He found all 8 flags, and that was the first submission with all 8. Shout out to Gregor, though. He's a former intern, so he wasn't really eligible for the prize anyway. But he found 7 in, I believe, 2 hours, like 2 hours
Yeah,
after the announcement.
that's
So
impressive.
that was pretty fast. But Divergent Dave is the username of our first
Divergent
place
Dave.
winner. He found all 8 pretty quickly. He found them all by Friday, I believe, right?
Yeah, I think so. Sometime later into Friday, I think.
Yes. And then we have one more participant who found all 8. He actually found 10 of 8 flags.
What?
So that was pretty cool.
Wait, what does that mean? I thought there were only
So,
8.
We changed the route name to the date that we released the CTF rather than the source route that was used. And was Harold?
Harold, you want to join?
Yeah. You want to say hi to the stream?
Want to come sit on the comma couch?
I've got nothing really to say.
Anything you want to tell the people about 0 to 10?
0 to 10 is going to be very exciting. Lateness model is significantly improved. The M model is going to be much better for comma 3. It's going to have a wider view, so you shouldn't have the issue where, even though it sees you, you're not in the driver monitoring model box. What else is exciting about? We've got Avocados, which is just a massive code cleanup and some longitudinal improvements. You might not notice that much though.
It's great behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, yeah. Under the cover, everything is great.
Yes. Cool.
Yeah.
Well, we were just talking about how someone found 10 flags. What?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
crazy.
How
The
did-
hidden flags.
How did
Yeah.
that happen?
That we didn't even know were there. So the way that happened was there's
Wait, I'm gonna.
the CTF route it's a fake route, right? So we took a real drive and injected the flags inside that route. So we found a route that we uploaded before the final CTF one that was like a work in progress one, and we found some other challenges that we were working on there and some of the current challenges that were not in a final state. So we found 2 extra flags.
That's crazy.
So although he's second place, since our first place winner indicated he wasn't interested in coming, we want to offer our second place winner the travel accommodations, so the flights and hotel to come out to the hackathon. We thought that was a cool prize, and
Yeah.
we thought that should go to someone who's attending.
Yeah.
So hit us up, email us.
I think we'll email you.
Oh, I guess we'll
email you after the
Okay.
stream.
We'll email you
Uh,
after the stream.
Yeah.
The third place
exciting.
is still out there, and you never know. Maybe
Ooh,
we'll upgrade your
what's
prize.
what's third place right now? It's what was it? Merch?
Yeah, we have a lot of people with 7, so competition's a little tight for that one.
Yeah. You just gotta find one more, everybody.
Yeah, just one more.
It's gonna be easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what the first place winner won $250, right?
Yes, he won
And then-
$250 since he didn't. He
wanna
indicated he didn't
come.
want to come to the hackathon.
Yes.
Unfortunately, but our second place winner, he got 10 out of 8. So
Yeah.
we've got. We'll say they're tied for first place, but he's second place. So you can either have his second place $100 prize, or the accommodations to come out to the hackathon.
I'd pick that personally
Yeah.
if I could.
I think it's a cool prize.
I did too. Nice.
What does this guy say? Our flag is going to be revealed after. No, so I think the CTF is we're gonna keep it around as like a form of documentation for OpenPilot. Like if you're able to find the flags in the CTF, you should be pretty familiar with OpenPilot infrastructure and some of the tools we use. At least
Yeah.
that's what we think. Let us know if it was a good intro for OpenPilot. We thought it was
Yeah,
pretty
let us
good.
know.
But
Do you want to show them the new testing
no,
closet?
let's clean that up
It's not
first.
ready yet.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a secret.
My desk looks really nice.
Your desk.
Yeah, like the wind sign.
Yeah, isn't that
move my
nice?
desk over a little bit to center it.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Looks really professional.
yeah.
We got real comma 3s, production comma 3s in the testing closet.
Yes.
So that's cool.
With real cases, not 3D printed cases. It's
Yeah.
a big upgrade.
Has anyone even seen like a 3D printed comma 3 case?
Should we show them? Let me grab
Do we
one.
have one?
Yeah, I've had one.
I mean, we worked on the case for so long. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Got a nice 3D. Well, let's take this tape off.
This is what the FPOT members will remember getting. Let's just say the injection molded case looks a lot nicer.
Yeah.
People asking how many people are going to be at the hackathon. It's going to be like rolling admission, and
We've gotten a lot of good
figure it out.
submissions so far, though.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Ideally, we get everybody who comes has 8 flags, but we'll see.
Yeah.
So rolling admissions means basically by the deadline, everybody has an equal shot. Otherwise, as it gets closer to the event, the bar for admission becomes higher and higher.
Yeah. So there's only 2 days left.
There's only 2 days left for the the first deadline, but
Yeah.
if you want to You can always play the CTF and put a good GitHub in there. I mean, it should be yours, but make it a good GitHub.
Don't
and
attach
fill
your
out the form.
resume, please.
Oh yeah, some guy put his resume for the flags, and the link didn't even work.
Oh man. Yeah, so don't do that. Put actual flags.
Yeah, put actual flags. What was I gonna say? It's a ban.
It's a ban.
Okay.
Sounds like a ban.
I missed that one.
But yeah, good stuff. I
Yes,
think that's
that's the CTF.
the CTF.
We got, what have we got? Like 30 submissions as of now.
Yeah.
Which is a little more than some of us in the office were expecting. But
Yeah.
I think we can still get more. Got quite a few more submissions, hopefully, and before the deadline. We got some more.
So that's 6.
Yeah. Keep going. Get 8. But it seems like anybody who's found one flag has generally found at least 4.
Mm-hmm.
So it might be a little hard to get set up with OpenPilot. We're still working on that part. We were talking about ways to make it easier today. But
Yeah.
once you get in there, you should be able to find quite a few flags. You should be able to learn quite a bit about OpenPilot, and I think it's worth it. So
Yeah, someone has 5 so far. Hugo.
nice. Oh, and if you guys have 5 and you haven't submitted so far, if you have any amount of flags and you haven't submitted so far, feel free to fill out the form anyway, because you can
Yes.
always go back and update it. It's just cool for us to know. I like seeing that number go up throughout the day. I refresh that quite a bit. So
Yeah,
it's
and
cool to.
then you're entered. Even if you don't get all of them, you still have a very good chance of getting an invite to Comma Hack.
Yes.
You don't have to get all 8. I mean, try your best, but
We need to work on.
it's been a busy couple weeks. Someone said they wish they had more time to do both.
I mean, yeah, it's rolling submission, so you can
Yeah.
you can keep working on it. But I mean, as soon as you find the first flag, just submit the form, and as you find more, you can update the form.
Mhm.
We got some good ideas for part 2 of the CTF. We've been
Ooh.
talking about that, so
Nice.
a hint.
Yeah. So I'm glad everyone's been enjoying that. And yeah, the video contest does end this Friday. We'll see how we're doing midweek. If there's still not.
So, oh,
I'm
Oh
alive.
my God, he's alive. Yeah. What did you think of the CTF? Think it's cool?
I tried to make it work on Mac, and it didn't work on Mac. No, the CTF is great. I'm so glad that you guys are out there using OpenPilot tooling.
Yeah. Yeah, it's great. Seeing how someone got 10 flags. Those
10 of
only
8.
10 of 8.
10 of 8. I heard there were extra flags in the hidden route.
Yeah.
Pretty incredible. Did we announce the prizes? We tell them what they're
Yeah.
getting?
Yeah.
All right, great.
Yeah.
We got first and first star.
Yeah.
We said second. We didn't call it first star.
Oh, I call it first star,
I think we should. Yeah, I think we should. Yeah. Good stuff. Are you going to be around when we do the video contest judging on Friday?
Yeah, probably.
So we might, we're going to be doing that Friday after lunch, so like 1 p.m. Yeah, check out some videos. So y'all have still have a chance to make some good videos. So good luck. Make them as good as you can.
Yeah. Good luck on the video contest. Get your CTF submissions in by Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yo, guys. You know what I was just talking about? We're just the hardware division. You know Comma's not stopping at cars, right? Like, we're an AI agent company. We build AI agents. The Comma 3 is a head. It has 2 eyes. It has a mouth. It has 2 ears. Just like your car harness connects your Comma 3 to your car, and the car is the body. What do you guys think of a mop harness? Right? Connects your Comma 3 to a mop. And what if the mop harness is generic and it also works with brooms? And it also works with dishes.
I don't know if they have nice abstractions like cars.
They don't, well,
Yeah.
I mean, no, the
Cars
abstraction.
are surprisingly nice. They're all the same.
Well, no, but like, yeah, what I'm talking about is maybe the mop harness would have to be mechanical, not just electrical, right? Like, you could imagine the mechanical car harness too, that would turn
Yeah.
the wheel and would, press the pedals mechanically.
Yeah.
Right. So the mop, I mean, I don't think many mops are digital, but what is the mop harness? Well, the mop interface is like you use a hand and you pick it up and you move it, right?
Yeah.
So it sounds like we have to build a hand and a way to pick things up.
Yeah.
We build little boxes for AIs.
Yeah. Autonomous Swiffer.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's not like, the comma body is not going to like, you're going to just stick a comma 3 on there.
Yeah.
It's the same head.
Lawn mowing's a good one. Someone just said lawn mowing.
Yeah, it uses your push mower like in Stacy's mom
Yeah.
video.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's So what we're thinking about, your comma 3, your actual comma 3 will be able to, who would buy the comma body?
Yeah, right?
Who wouldn't
Yeah.
buy the comma body?
Yeah.
I'd buy it. How much is the comma body?
Oh.
The secret.
No, you know what we were talking about, guys? You know what we were talking about? We're talking about how the comma 3 is expensive. We know.
Yeah.
No one's happy about this, right? Like, the comma 3, despite it being the price that it is, we make less money proportionally. The profit margins are proportionately lower on the comma 3 than the comma 2. So we made more of your dollars used to purchase comma 2s of profit than the dollars used to purchase comma 3s, which is just an unfortunate fact. But we're working on tightening things up. We're working on lowering production costs. But that'll just raise our margins. If you sort something that folds close, you have solved AI. You see, the thing is, you've always solved AI. If you build something that plays chess, you've solved AI. If you go, come on, that's got to be AI, man. Self-driving cars, it's got to be AI. The truth is, it's never AI. The girlfriend is maybe the hardest thing to build. I mean that. Like when you build something that can do everything a girlfriend can do, then maybe then you've solved AI.
Yeah.
How many comma 3s have been sold? 600 something?
Yeah.
We got 669?
600 something.
I think it leaked in the last stream anyway, so
No, do we have secrets anymore?
no secrets.
No secrets.
I mean, there's not really secrets anymore.
Showing
Like,
the failed comma 3s right there that we're looking into.
yeah, they just have numbers on. As long as they don't have names, as long as they don't have customer
no
information.
names.
No
Yeah. So we have what? We have 5 failed comma 3s out of
Some of these already
600.
have fixes in the new Agnos going out in 0 8 10.
Yeah, no, the comma 3 does seem quite a bit more reliable than the comma 2. The overall failure rate of the comma 2 seems to be about 15%, maybe a little higher, which, it's not great, but for perspective, in 2006, the Wii, the PS3, and the Xbox 360 launched. The Xbox 360 had failure rates of almost 50%. So this is not unprecedented in consumer electronics. The PS3 was about 15. So we're similar to the PS3. We're not as good as the Wii. Not everybody can beat Nintendo. But the comma 3 does look better. We're not going to do the warranty from 1 to 2 years, and that's not really about reliability. The problem with that is it would then require us to like the logistics required to plan that and the stock we would have to keep, right? We're not. You guys know we've raised $8.1 million. We've made about $10 million in revenue. Like, we don't have a huge warehouse where we can keep $1 million in inventory required to be able to honor that warranty, right? Like, we have a lot of comma 2s now that are just warranty replacement comma 2s, and this is all a strict liability to the company. So no, but the reliability is better, and we are very good about the 1-year warranty.
Yeah. It's very true. Cool.
Tesla Model 3 harness when?
I think Robo's working.
Robo's working
Tesla
on it.
harnesses.
Tesla harnesses.
Tesla longitudinal now.
Yeah.
One of the issues with Tesla is it's hard to mimic OpenPilot's lateral policy because Tesla does this very different, like, the wheel is locked until you move it kind of thing. The like cooperative steering that's in every other car with OpenPilot is hard to bring to the Tesla.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, you flip one flag, you can use your Tesla Model S. I believe we support AP1 or AP2 Model S's.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should be able to support them. We just in the video I saw many comments were like FSD shields. Oh, these guys are way behind Tesla. No, we're 1 to 2 years behind Tesla. Like, I tell you this all the time, right? Like, it's like iOS and Android, and eventually we'll get to the point where that gap kind of collapses once you're. That gap may have already collapsed for actually providing like the majority of the value. The majority of the value provided comes from a chill highway experience, right? And like, you're better off getting a. You would prefer as a consumer, whether you know this or not, and sorry I'm making a statement for you, you would rather something that, instead of making a mistake every hour on the highway, makes mistakes every 10 hours on the highway, versus something that makes mistakes every hour on a highway, but also makes 90-degree turns. right? You'd rather the former than the latter. You may not know that, but it's true.
I mean, it shows in the data too.
Yeah. You mean the engagement time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We have significantly higher engagement times than Tesla. How often, a lot of people drive Tesla without autopilot engaged. People with OpenPilot have OpenPilot engaged almost twice as much.
Yeah.
Autopilot's engaged like 30% of the time.
And we should adjust this, our statistics too, right? There's a lot of engageability time that we can't get back, like some of the Toyotas have, and the Chryslers. You can only engage them about 39 miles an hour.
Yeah.
This time is super high for OpenPilot.
Yeah. No, we should actually plot the whole distribution. I mean, I'm sure this is true with autopilot too. There's some people who are using it like 98% of the time or something.
Yeah.
But because autopilot's much more cooperative, it's easier to stay engaged. So yeah, your comma 3 will you'll use that expansion port. You'll plug it right into the comma body. Comma body will go in the top port where you connect the car harness. Right now, that's the thing harness port. We'll make the body speak OBDC. It'll use, ARM will be on CAN and stuff, right? It'll use CAN for all that. And then you always have that other, you got that other expansion port on the comma 3, which as we sell more comma 3s, as we start getting more data, we can start to train really large models. Even if the models can't run on the comma 3, well, you can comma compute, plug in the compute. 3090 in a box. And that should be enough to solve self-driving cars, right? Because what do you need? You probably need, the goal with the comma 3 was to be sensor complete, not necessarily compute complete. It may be compute complete, we don't really know, but maybe not. But the USB 3 port on the comma 3 has enough bandwidth to stream out the entire sensorium of the device. So we can stream that sensorium over to a computer with a 3090. A 3090, I would say a 3090 can do level 5. Maybe 4 3090s, right? Can a mouse drive a car is the question, right? 4 3090s is about a mouse.
Cool.
At the hackathon, you can make a cool project with that expansion port too. Maybe you can set up your computer, your comma 3 as a computer. You plug in a monitor with display port, a mouse and keyboard.
Did we say we're doing the hackathon at the office? Did we announce that?
No, we didn't.
Oh, we haven't decided that yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can. The comma 3 is a computer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can sit at a desk, plug it in. You should be able to develop OpenPilot on your comma 3.
Did we get that to work in Weston?
No, that's their project.
That's their project. We released all the Agno stuff, right?
Not Weston, but
Oh.
I don't think we can.
Why?
I don't think we can.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah. Agnos Builder itself is open source.
Yeah,
The
no,
kernel is too.
I mean, look, it's not like it's a secret. Like, we can talk about this.
No, sure. Yeah.
Why? It's because it's using Dynacom sources?
Yeah.
Can we just like build Weston? What do we need special of there? What's in there?
I mean, it's just gonna be a lot of work.
It's a
We
lot
want to
of
hire
work.
West. If you guys want to come and rebuild Weston, use Upstream Weston.
Upstream Weston!
Upstream Linux kernel.
Did we fix that bug yet?
Which bug?
The UI crash bug. Well, it's just rare enough.
Oh no,
Just rare enough that
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's extremely
Yeah.
rare.
Well, they know 10 Hz UI. We're gonna fix 10 Hz UI in the next release.
Yeah.
I don't
Well,
think
that's
the
only an
release
issue in
has
this.
it. Yeah,
It's
the
not an
release
issue in
doesn't.
release.
Oh, it's not an issue in the last release.
No.
Okay, great.
Those
Yeah.
would be a factor.
Pay attention to the road. Yeah, you guys like the sounds? I hear really good things about the new driver monitoring model.
We play new sounds for them. We show them a preview.
Oh, you showed them a preview of new sounds. You guys, the Comma 3 has a great speaker and a great amplifier. It sounds like shit now because nobody tuned it well. We're gonna fix it.
We got a real guy to tune it.
Yeah, we hired a sound guy.
Sound guy.
That was the tragedy in Hubble Series video when you hear the Comma 3 screechy sound. We're fixing it. I don't think sounds are gonna make the next release. I'm going after.
No, I think they make next release.
Oh, they're gonna make the next
Yeah,
release.
I think
Oh, great.
We're gonna try to squeeze them into this one, but we want to make sure they're all.
Oh, you mean not
already.
this one, but okay. The one,
Yeah, 0-11.
0-11. Okay.
Yes.
End-to-end longitudinal stuff is coming along, but it's just gonna take time. It's just going to take, what we were fantasizing about in the research meeting this morning? We're talking about the day when we're training models on only comma 3 data for only comma 3s. 9 months. 9 months until the great deprecation. Think of all the code we're going to delete. Oh, the great deprecation.
Comma 2 will be left in a great state, though.
Yeah. No, it should be, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The comma 2 is already kind of like Have we hit the 1,000 hours yet for it?
We're really close. We're really close to the 1,000 hours on the comma 2.
Um,
And the
our-
comma 3 as well.
Yeah. Our goal, like one of the goals for the comma 2 projects, what we call Open Pilot 1.0, is 1,000 hours mean time between failure on the comma 2. So we'll make sure it's there. I mean, yeah. What else is there? Like the comma 2 is kind of a complete product.
Yeah.
It is exactly what it is. I think all the rough edges are kind of polished.
Yeah.
And then onward to the future with the comma 3. And we'll see. I mean, we'll see how much effort it is to. I guess the open pilots will start to diverge at some point.
Yeah.
But it'd be nice if like new cars could still, like backport it if it was easy enough.
Yeah. I mean, the way it's structured right now, you could probably even copy the self-drive or the self-drive car directory. It should probably mostly work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
How's the Accord? Someone asked.
Oh,
It's
I
good.
love the Accord.
It's nice. It's a nice
Do we have a
car.
torque mod?
No, we don't. But
No.
But you still love it.
I still love it. The ACC is pretty good.
Oh,
I want
great.
our ACC to be like that.
I know. The Honda Bosch ACC and the Hyundai ACC are very good.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
override is very comfortable in the Accord too.
Which are?
The steering override.
The steering override, okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I haven't felt this in the other cars either.
I mean, Honda's always have the good smooth steering. See, the Accord's great even
Yeah.
without a torque mod.
It was a little frustrating, but I drove to LA and back, and it was still a great experience.
It had more torque than I thought. I'll be honest. I thought it was way less. It was pretty decent.
HAG ACC is good, but too slow from a stop. Like, do you mean ours or do you mean theirs?
They mean ours. It's pretty slow. But
Well, but theirs
we're
is
working.
slow too. It's in the API apparently.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, the delay is.
The delay is apparently in the API.
Yeah.
We almost spent quite a bit of time on that. I think this is the best we can do right now.
Yeah, well, the Hyundai is still our pick for a level 5 car. You guys ready to see some 90-degree turns? I changed my position. We love 90-degree turns. Only on the comma 3 though.
Yes.
No, look. Tesla. A lot of people have FSD now.
Yeah, I think they're releasing to the 99% driving score. We don't score you guys. You can engage with OpenPilot whenever you want.
We should start scoring them. I like that Tesla
And
did
they
that.
can't check out our experimental branches.
That's right. I like the Tesla did that. You want stop lines? Drive safely. Don't get driver monitoring dings. Pay attention. Oblong say stop longer than Hyundai. Yeah, we gotta do better. Nibbles turn mode. What's Nibbles
I
turn
don't know
mode?
what that is.
No. Look. We're a year and a half behind Tesla, so in 18 months, your comma 3 will make a 90-degree turn probably, right? You saw the red lights and stop sign demos. We're working on them, but we do things right in a slow way, not hacky in a future way. Like even when we talked about stop lines this morning, it's like, well, do we really want to ship stop lines, or do we want to first focus on more end-to-end longitudinal stuff? And the answer was kind of end-to-end longitudinal stuff.
Yeah.
Corolla 90. Yeah, I've seen the Corolla already make 90-degree turns.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like seen it.
you people are like hung up on this. I should have said that at Comic-Con. Like they just get hung up on this. Like, my point is more like, what do you even mean by a 90-degree turn, guys? Like, well, we're gonna. Oh no. We're like Hyundai. We're gonna put a limit. The limit in the Hyundai.
Yeah, where it bounces back.
Yeah, that's right. Once you get to 89, Open Pilot's just gonna disengage. All right, that's it. We gotta stop. We gotta stop somewhere. Stop somewhere.
OpenPilot is a 90-degree system. Yeah.
So you want it to stop? You want it to make a turn? All right, we'll have it stop. We'll have it make a turn. Dave, you want to tell me what your bonus is?
Oh, we're driving a Taco Bell with no disengagements.
Yeah, Taco Bell, no disengagements.
How long has that been the goal?
Last year.
Last year? Nice.
It's a long-term goal.
Yeah. Cool.
I'm gonna do it. Love, comma, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Come body, come soon. Commas already. Yes, commas already 360. Oh, they're gonna need more cameras. Where do you want me to put them? There aren't any more degrees, right? Oh, but they're not gonna be able to see through the back pillar. Yeah, neither can the human.
Yeah.
The comma 3 has plenty of field of view for every part of driving except for cars approaching quickly on the side, which you need to know in order to make a lane change. But fortunately, humans struggle with this as well, and that's why we have blind spot monitors, right? So good blind spot monitors plus a comma 3 should be sensor complete to drive a car. right? Remember, you don't have to see every single bit of the road at every minute. Humans don't do this either. You just need to be able to have a holistic 360-degree understanding of your place in space, right? And the comma 3 can do this, more than well enough. I don't know. Oh, does the prices only go up department have any incoming announcements? Nah, we're the price is chilling for a bit. The price is chilling for a bit.
We're in the price justification mode.
We're in the that's what we renamed it to?
Yeah.
The price justification department. We're you're gonna be happy you bought a comma 3 by the end. Like, are you happy you bought a comma 2? Did it provide enough value to you? Humans see a lot more view inside mirrors. Questionable. I mean, that's why you need the blind spot radars. But you can drive a car without side mirrors. Take them off. Actually, you can't. It's illegal. George said I could take off the side mirrors and I crashed my car. What, will there ever be a need for the model to remember more than 2 frames at a time? Yes. But you do understand we've been doing this since OpenPilot 0.6, right? The model has infinite, it's an IIR filter. It looks back infinitely far. It incorporates state from as far back as you want. At train time, we train up to 30 seconds back. So that's like a practical bound. All right, if we're up to those questions, then I think.
I should just remind everybody, you want to be a winner. You got third prize is still up for grabs.
Yeah, $100. Nope. Merch, right?
Merch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do we have some cool merch though? Do we have Hackathon merch?
Yeah, we're gonna have cool Hackathon
Alright.
merch. It's gonna be great.
We'll get
And you can come to Comma Hack. So
Yeah.
already that's a great prize. It's gonna be a really
Yeah.
fun time.
Let your friends know about Comma Hack. See if they want to compete.
Reach
and
the
then
kids.
CTF.
Let's reach the kids. Do you know any kids who want to go to Comma
We
Hack?
tried to reach out to the local universities, but I don't know if they, printed out their flyer and put it on the wall yet.
Yeah, I don't think they did.
Yeah, we didn't get any submissions. If you know anybody in the local universities in San Diego or LA, let them know. Spread the word.
Yeah. We want anyone who wants to come work on cool stuff to come to the hackathon.
Yeah, we're gonna have lots of cool projects. And that could be you.
Yeah. Video contest probably ending Friday. We'll see if there's no like crazy submissions, we can extend it. But like, let me know on Discord if you're like, hey, I'm working on something really great. I just need more time, because otherwise I'll just not think that anyone's doing anything cool. So, yeah. All right. Bye, everybody.